Hi, my name is Tony de Graaf from Burke's and welcome to 38A Edgecumbe Street in Como, a beautifully appointed modern family home in an amazing location. Come, experience it for yourself. At the heart of the home is a kitchen with impressive stone benchtops, a sweeping breakfast bar and top shelf appliances. Cooking for your family will be an absolute pleasure. Open plan living extends through to your covered alfresco. Imagine year-round entertaining adjacent to an easy care, mature garden, ideal for little kids or your furry friends. The master suite is a true parents' retreat, privately positioned, generous in size and fitted out with quality.